how to transfer Windows from HDD to SSD without losing apps and data. So let's get started. First thing first, to transfer HDD to SSD without losing any data, a Windows cloning tool will be the best option. Isom Soft Cloner is a powerful and easy to use Windows cloning tool that allows you to copy the current Windows installation directly from the HDD to the SSD and remains the SSD bootable. So firstly, download and install Isom Soft Cloner on your computer. When the installation is complete, start the software and select the copy option on the left side of the interface. After that, in the middle of the interface, select the operating system drive, usually drive C, containing the Windows 10 OS as the source target. Select the SSD drive as the destination target. Then all the settings are complete, so you can now click the Start button in the bottom right corner of the interface to start transferring Windows 10 OS from the current HDD to the SSD. Then just wait for the transfer process to complete. This takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on the used space of your operating system drive. When you receive a missing completed prompt, the transfer process is completed. Now all you have to do is your Windows 10 has been transferred to the SSD, and that's left to do is make your computer boot from the SSD. Restart the computer during the process of restarting. Then simply go to the boot tab and set the SSD as the first boot device. Save the BIOS changes and your computer will boot from the SSD successfully. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.